Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just got at this campsite here, just trying to clean it up a little bit. It's a campsite I found on the west side of Revelstoke, up past the bridge and then turn right. But anyways, a bunch of campsites here, like fire rings, all different kinds of places here. It is getting dark. Got off a little bit late, but not too late. Late last night I got off work. Yeah, couldn't go around and discover anywhere, but I was gonna pick that spot there. Not there, over here somewhere. I think it's over here. Oh, maybe it was there. Yeah, it was here, but it was a little bit unlevel. I do have leveling blocks and everything, so if I want to level it. But it's a nice little spot. It's not too far from Revelstoke. About 11 minutes from town. Oh, beautiful. A lot better here than being in town, I guess. More road noise and truck noise, everything else. So how you guys doing? Not gonna make this video super long, but just want to show you guys my campsite. For tonight, I thought I'd try it out instead of being in town. Bunch of cord here and everything. I think I'll take it and use it for something down the road. A clothesline or something like that. And there's a bunch of vehicles here too, camping out up here, just up the road up here. They're all here camping. So it's just not only me, a few bunch of other people too. See people leaving their junk around too, also leaving pails here and everything. So like, I don't have any room to take it, but I did check up, organize this wood a little bit. Oh yeah. Never get off work any earlier, I could check out more spots along here. There's stuff all littered around here. Not very clean. Here's an old toilet seat cover. Yeah. People are still doing it. Trashing the place. Like, anyways, I'm gonna go in here, get something to eat. Put on some lights here. One second, guys. Just getting home. Home away from home. Now we'll get you some lights. There, it's a little better. Son of a... Camera fell down on me. Don't mind my mess in the camper right now. I'm just trying to... I have some insulation over here that I was going to try to insulate the camper on the inside with. And yeah, and I have this, it's a knife holder, magnetic holder, so I was going to bolt that to the side of the wall so I could have something to lay down and put my knives up against it or whatever I'm doing. Yeah, so anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. I know it's not gonna be a long video, but maybe I might do another one here soon. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I'm gonna grab something to eat here now. Thought I'd show you guys my little camp spot I just picked out here. Got off work a little bit early with daylight, so I could go and do this. So, but anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you down the road, and take care, guys. Bye bye for now.